Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that post notification bell so that as we post a video guys, you get notified. So I'm heading to the river today. Even though it's close to winter guys, here in Jamaica it's still a little hot. So you know what we do, we're going to the river just to take a bath and start our day right. So yeah guys, remember to follow me on other platforms. I'm on all platforms except Telegram. I do not have a Telegram guys, so if you see a Telegram with my picture, I am not the one operating that thing. So yeah, but you can follow me on Instagram at Fanika TV. You can follow me on Facebook at Erica Shackelford. You can follow me on TikTok at Fanika LKG. We're going to the river, guys, to make this nice, beautiful video. I want you guys to comment down below. Comment down below, guys. We're going into the festive season and also Vlogmas, of course, where YouTubers vlog all day for 21 days, right? So stay tuned. The pig. That's a big pig. Drake say, well, I'm gonna go see the hog them. Never know say Drake never see pig yet. Okay guys, so I'm headed to the river by myself today. So yeah. The selfie stick I go along this. It I go along to the. You guys, cause I'm covered. We're going to the river. Going to the river. Yeah. Guys, we have to be careful when we walk here because there's a slidey. Because the road, we haven't gotten a rain yesterday, but the road is like still slippery because the trees, so the sun not catch the road. So yeah. You see my neighbor farm still standing guys. You see it? It's still a stand. No tree. Melissa could have lit down no tree. All like banana tree then still standing. Oh my god. You see that? All like banana tree then still standing guys. So him still having banana and him planting tree them. I not think none never drop down. I don't even remember. But none never drop down when we did come around here. So although we live down in a valley, so we don't get much of the breeze. And most of the higher land them get breeze. So stay tuned guys, we're headed to the river. Yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful epic. cool. I time out, but the water cool. Something wet. Hey guys, me reach my favorite spot. Yeah, you can see the difference, guys. You not see the water anymore. The water coming down anymore because the water dry and stuff. So yeah, and we not get no much rain again like where Melissa did come with. So yeah, guys, we're gonna stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're swimming, we're swimming, we're swimming. Water really nice, that's really cool. Nice, 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 nice. But we are see what we can manage. Let's see what we can about this guy. We gotta go way up because we are swimmer, but we gotta stop swimming. I would think we could have swim boat there though. But I just swim cold. I just that. But we have the ability to swim boat. Without asking. Let's swim. We swim go there. Don't want to go down here. So you can't see. Deep, all far, water reaching like for like right there, folks. Really deep. It's so far. Okay, guys. You far? It's there. My waist. I'm stand up. Me stand up, guys. Me stand up and the water there. My waist. Like we can't go no further. See? And then it go way up more and it deeper as it goes, cause it's kind of darker too. If you don't look, you see say that's kind of darker. Yeah. We're gonna do the dog paddle. with one hand. Yeah, soap up my rug. For bed. Soap up, soap up, soap. Sad, sad, sad. I feel like every Jamaican have a rug like this, guys. Like a national rug for Jamaica. Ada piasa ni di bata bina. Asana ni di bata. Hello best team. Happy to see you at home. Hello best team, guys. Hey guys, it's the end of another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember guys, remember to subscribe. Let's get the channel to 30,000 subscribers. And also guys, follow me on other platforms as well. See you guys tomorrow for another epic nature video, river video. So yeah, bye. And guys, my bathing suit is from Amazon. It's from Fashion Nova, sorry, Fashion Nova, and it comes with cover up. So all of the girls then when they say them I go Zimmy River, it's a nice outfit to buy for that special occasion because you have the 2-piece and then you have your cover up. All they want a nice hairstyle, jewelry, and a nice shoes, and you're good to go. So yeah guys,